Watch through to the end to see what this repair usually costs. If you drive a 2016 to 2020 Mazda CX-5, you might have noticed a rear brake squeak during light braking at slow speeds. It is a sharp, high-pitched squeak from the rear of the car. Many drivers hear it most in parking lots, garages, or stop-and-go traffic. It shows up with very light pedal pressure at low speed, even though braking feels normal. The sound can feel embarrassing or like worn brakes, even when stopping performance seems fine. This specific issue primarily affects 2016 to 2020 CX-5 models. Mazda issued a technical service bulletin, TSB 04-002-222A, as guidance for dealers. A TSB is not a recall and is not an automatic free repair. Typical symptoms: squeak at light brake pressure, no pedal pulsation, no pulling, braking otherwise normal. It can come and go, often worse after sitting overnight or driving in the rain. The dealer fix targets the small hardware where the pads sit and slide. The bulletin blames poor contact between the guide plate and mounting support, which lets hardware vibrate and squeal. Mazda's TSB gives technicians a roadmap. Confirm the noise, then address the hardware fitment. First, confirm a rear squeak during light application at low speeds. Once confirmed, the focus shifts to the caliper bracket contact points and pad hardware. The issue is less about pad friction material and more about hardware contact and vibration. Light braking allows micro-movement, creating high-frequency vibration that you hear as a squeak. The repair begins by removing pads, then cleaning and degreasing the mounting supports thoroughly. They verify the special tape placement on the guide plates and correct it if missing or damaged. Mazda updated the shim design and added coated springs to improve damping and fit. Reassembly focuses on tight, gap-free contact between guide plates and the mounting support. After reassembly, the pedal is pumped to confirm normal operation. A short verification drive checks that the squeak is gone. Many owners found cleaning alone was not enough. Updated hardware solved it more reliably. Reports suggest sticking with factory-style pad kits, and the updated hardware gives the best results. On the hoist, the rear wheels come off to access the calipers and pads. The calipers are unbolted, and the rear pads are removed. This exposes the caliper mounting support and pad contact points. The bracket surfaces are degreased and brushed to remove rust and debris. Clean, flat surfaces ensure the guide plates sit flush with no gaps. Guide plates are inspected, and the special tape is confirmed or replaced. A thin layer of dedicated brake grease goes on contact surfaces as specified. Guide plates are set into place with a tight, precise fit. Updated shims and coated springs are installed to increase damping and retention. Pads go back in and the caliper is torqued to spec. The pedal is pumped to seat the pads and verify a firm feel. A low-speed test confirms the high-frequency squeal is eliminated. If pads or rotors are worn below spec, those are treated as normal wear items and replaced as needed. Costs vary by what's needed and where you go. A simple inspection, cleaning, and hardware correction is about 1 to 2 hours of labor. At a dealer, that typically runs about $150 to $300. Independent shops often charge about $100 to $250 for the same cleaning and setup. If you need rear pads plus the updated hardware, expect a higher bill. Dealers commonly charge $350 to $650 for pads and updated hardware installed. Independent shops often come in around $250 to $500 for that job. If rotors are below minimum thickness, they must be replaced. A full rear job with rotors at a dealer often totals $600 to $1,000, sometimes more with taxes and fees. Independent shops typically charge $450 to $850 for the same complete work. Mention the TSB and ask for the updated rear brake hardware setup. Ask specifically for coated springs and the updated shims. Request a clear breakdown, cleaning only, pads and hardware, or pads, hardware, and rotors. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment your year and symptoms down below.